full zone out, huh? So big O say, ah, 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 ah. हुआ क्या?
मैंने इतना मिस आउट किया यार. सेक्स इज सो गुड. और वो जैसे है ना, बिल्कुल वैसे ही है.
You mean hot, right?
नहीं, मतलब ही इज जस्ट सो रियल. बिल्कुल प्रिटेंड नहीं करता.
And did he? तुम prepared तो थी ना?
प्रिपेयर मतलब?
You have to have your Brazilian done.
यार मैं ब्राजीलियन नहीं करने वाली हूँ. बहुत पेनफुल है.
Come on, you have to. I'm getting your appointment fixed. Casual sex production heavy है, but your नीचे का scene has to be cleaner than your conscience. Got it? I'm so excited.
Oh, hi, Kay.
Hi, Mekhla. How are you? I just came to pick up my running shoes.
मैं वापस दिल्ली शिफ्ट हो रही हूँ.
Mekhla, give me 2 minutes. I'll get ready. Kay, तुम कब आई?
No, I'm just here for a quick minute. अपने running shoes लेने आई थी. Pops, what is ये सब गंदगी? Kavita's gone on a leave again.
वसु गई तो कविता भी गई. Best of friends थे दोनों.
So get some other maid ना. You're not 17.
अरे अब तुम मेरी माँ क्यों बन रही हो? Oh, I missed you so much.
अच्छा, मुझे मैराथन ट्रेनिंग के लिए जाना है, so I'll call you later.
I'll drop you. I'll drop you to the airport and I'll drop you wherever you want. Just give me 5 minutes.
No, I'll go अपने आप.
No, you're not going back.
But you come, I'll wait with me.
I'll drop you. Hang on.
So, tell me one thing. What works with older guys? Like you and Pops. How did it start? Hey, he's so old and so boring.
Well, प्लान तो मैंने भी नहीं किया था. But he's a nice guy. फिर ना काम में बात करते करते I guess पता ही नहीं चला. And it just happened. And if you are into someone, they just know it. But now he doesn't want it. He's quite clear.
That must be irritating.
I guess that's life. So I'll head back to Delhi and figure it out.
Wow, Pops. How is this boring look different than what you were wearing before?
Yeah, I'm boring. चलो.
Wow, fancy.
Yeah,
तुम pro photographer हो?
kind of.
Fancy mood lighting.
मैम पहली बार में होता है, फिर यूज्ड टू हो जाओगे. हो गया मैम, अब बस ऑयल लेके आती हूँ.
Hello kids, 3 more weeks of this cruise which is just perfect, and then we've made our post-retirement plans which we'll share with you. We'll catch up soon. Best wishes, Ma.
मैम क्या हुआ?
तो ठीक हो. Come on, Aku, pick up.